If you find yourself hesitating to stand up, speak out, and assume a leadership role in your organization, or if you feel like you're failing to reach, transform, and inspire your work colleagues in either real or virtual space, you may lack the executive presence that you need to achieve your career goals and objectives. You may lack stage presence. What is stage presence? Where can I get it? How can I use stage presence as an executive to achieve my goals and objectives? Well, professional actors know a thing or two about stage presence and the basic principles of live performance that determine the influence and effectiveness we can have in our public engagements with staff, colleagues, and senior management in the workplace. So let's find out how it's done. There is no right way for all of us to speak, to move, and establish our presence as professionals, but there is an optimal way for each of us to apply the gifts and talents and tools we have to better prepare us for successful careers as business executives, to maximize the impact we can have on those we work with, to establish presence as an executive. So let's begin to stand up, stand apart, and stand out, to let our audiences experience the presence of an executive.